All right, picture this. Lunchtime hits, and you're craving something that's healthy, filling, and actually delicious. Let me show you how to whip up my go-to. A grilled chicken and quinoa bowl. Trust me, this'll make you forget all about boring lunches. All right, let's kick things off with the star of our show, the chicken. This is where all that amazing flavor begins. For this recipe, I'm using a boneless, skinless chicken breast. I always try to go for free range or organic when I can. I find it has a much better texture and flavor. Now, let's get this prepped. First, a generous drizzle of good quality olive oil. This not only helps our seasonings adhere beautifully, but also ensures the chicken gets a fantastic crust. Then, we'll season it liberally with the classics. A good pinch of sea salt and freshly cracked black pepper. And for that special touch, my secret weapon, smoked paprika. This adds a gorgeous color and a deep, smoky flavor. Time to cook. Get your grill pan screaming hot. That initial sizzle is what locks in the juices. Lay the chicken down and let it cook for about 6 to 7 minutes per side. The best way to be sure it's done is to use a meat thermometer. You're looking for 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, transfer it to a cutting board. Now for the most crucial step. Let it rest for at least 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, making it incredibly juicy. Trust me, patience is key. While our chicken is sizzling, let's build the foundation of our bowl with some quinoa. It's a fantastic source of plant-based protein and fiber, and it's naturally gluten-free. I'm using a tricolor blend today for its beautiful look and slightly nuttier taste. First, a crucial step. Rinse the quinoa thoroughly. This removes its natural coating, called saponin, which can taste bitter. Then it goes into a pot with liquid. The classic ratio is 1 part quinoa to 2 parts water, but for extra flavor, try using vegetable broth. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to a low simmer, cover, and cook for about 15 minutes. Once the liquid is absorbed, turn off the heat and let it steam, still covered for 5 more minutes. This is the secret to perfect texture. Then, simply fluff it up with a fork. It's that easy. Now for the fun part, the fresh toppings. This is where you can really make the bowl your own. I love the cool crunch of diced cucumber, the sweetness of halved cherry tomatoes, and the creaminess of fresh avocado. For extra greens, I'll toss in some baby spinach or arugula. Think of it as painting with your food. Add bell peppers, red onion, anything you love. The more colorful, the better. All right, let's assemble this masterpiece. We start with a foundation of beautiful, fluffy quinoa. I love using it because it's a complete protein. A quick tip for amazing flavor. Cook your quinoa in vegetable or chicken broth instead of water. It creates the perfect nutritious base. Next, our star protein, the grilled chicken. The most important step is to let it rest for 10 minutes after grilling. This keeps it incredibly tender and juicy. I slice it into thick strips. If you want to mix it up, grilled halloumi or roasted chickpeas are also fantastic vegetarian options. Now for the color and crunch. We're building a rainbow for maximum nutrients. I'm adding crisp cucumber, sweet cherry tomatoes, and thinly sliced red onion for a zesty bite. A variety of colors means a variety of vitamins. Feel free to add your favorites like bell peppers or avocado. And now, the magic sauce that ties it all together. This creamy, tangy lemon tahini dressing. It's so simple. Just whisk good quality tahini with fresh lemon juice. It'll get thick, but don't worry. Slowly stream in cold water while whisking until it's silky and pourable. A final pinch of salt makes the flavors pop. And there you have it. A vibrant, hearty bowl that's a feast for the eyes. This is my go-to for a healthy lunch, and it's a meal prep dream. Just store the quinoa, chicken, and veggies in separate containers with the dressing in a small jar. When you're ready to eat, assemble and drizzle for a perfect, fresh meal. To take it over the top, try adding a sprinkle of feta cheese, toasted almonds for crunch, or fresh parsley. I really hope you give this a try. Let me know in the comments how you customize your bowl. I love getting new ideas. Enjoy!